Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Digital Systems Laboratory for second year students, third semester. Exercise number 8A, Implementation of Basic Logic Gates. This program we are going to do in the Xilinx software. Aim to implement all the basic logic gates using Verilog module. These are logic gate symbols. Right side there is a truth table and this is a module, AND gate module. First module, this is a file name and the values are given A, B, C. Input I am giving A, input B. Two inputs we want to give, output one output. Then assign A ampersand B. And symbol is used for multiplication purpose. Then last you want to put the N module. Let us see the implementation of AND gate using Xilinx software. This is Xilinx software. Double click. Software is opening. Open. Then file. Click new project. Here you want to give the folder name. We are doing digital lab, right? So I am giving digital lab. This is the folder name. Click next. Already if there is a name, this message will come. You want to overwrite. Yes. Then next. Finish. Folder is created. See, the implementation wants to be clicked. Then click this file. Right click. New source. Here click Verilog module. Then file name. I am giving AB. Then next, then finish. Here you want to type the program. Our file name is AB, right? Then next, click file and save. Then you want to check the syntax. For that, click here. This synthesis, click this. There will be a check syntax. Right click, run. Checking process going on. Here see, we got the green tick, so our syntax is correct. Then in the top module, click that file name AB and enter. The next, click this simulation. Click the file name, right click, new source. Then click Verilog test feature. Here a file name is AB underscore TEST, right? The next finish. Okay, the program is created. Then in the top module, click same, that file name AB, then enter. Then the simulation. Wait. In the simulation you clicked, then click this iSim simulator. Here there is a behavioral check syntax. Right click, then click run. Checking process going on. We got the green tick, so syntax is correct. Then click the simulate behavioral model. Right click, run. New window will be opened. Open. Here you want to check the truth table. This is a right click. Force constant. Here give 1. Apply. Then OK. Then for B I am giving right click. Force constant. Here 0. Then apply. Then OK. Then click the file. Save. This is a run button. Run. we got the answer 1 0. The answer is 0. If we click this one, then it will be varied. See?
Thus we have successfully implemented AND gate using Xilinx software. OR gate. See the Verilog module code, module, file name, then the elements A, B, C. That is the input and output. We are giving two inputs. Input A semicolon, input B semicolon. Then output also I am taking as a D value, D semicolon. Then assign D is equal to A/B. Then put the N module. Let us execute this module in Xilinx software.
Let us see the implementation of OR gate using Xilinx software. Click the software opened, and then first click file name, new project. Here you want to give the folder name. I am giving Digital Lab. Then next, then click next, then finish. Then this is a folder created. Then click this file name, right click, new source, Verilog module, file name, OR gate we are using. So I am giving simply OR, then next, then finish. Here you want to type the program. Here file name, okay, finish, then file, then save. Then next, you want to check the syntax. Here click this synthesis. In this synthesis there will be a check syntax, right click, running process going on, green tick, we got the green tick, so our syntax is correct. Then in the top module click the file name, that OR, then enter, and then next click the simulation, same, click the file name, right click, new source, here Verilog test feature, then click the file name, that OR underscore test test, and then next, and then finish. Then you want to click this test file. See, there is a iSim simulator. Click the behavioral check syntax, right click, running process going on. We got the green tick, so our syntax is correct. Then in the top module, once again you want to click the file name and enter, and then click the simulate behavioral model, right click and run. After the simulation, the new window will be opened. Here you want to check the truth table. For A, I am giving the value force constant, giving 1, then apply, then OK. Then for B, right click, force constant, I am giving 0 and apply and OK. Then click the file, save. This is a run button. Click this, you got the answer. See, 1 0, answer is 1. Then click this button for the clock sign. See, the upline is 1 and 0. Got the answer 1. So successfully we have verified the truth table of OR gate using Xilinx software.
NOT gate, Verilog code for NOT gate, module, giving the file name N, taking two values A, G, input one value and output also one value, then assigning the value, then N module. Let us execute this program. this module in Xilinx software.
See the implementation of NOT gate using Xilinx software. This is a software. Double click. Software is opening. Software opened. Then click the file name, new project. Then you want to give the folder name. I am giving Digital Lab. Then click next. Then next. Then finish. Then this is a Digital Lab folder created. This is a program. Right click this, new source. Here click Verilog module. Then file name. We are going to do NOT gate. I am giving N file name. Next and finish. Here you want to type the program. Okay. Then next, click file and save the program. Click this implementation. Then you want to check the syntax. Synthesis, that there will be check syntax. Right click, then run. We got the green sign, the tick sign, so our syntax is correct. Then in the top module, click the file name N and click enter. And then next, click this simulation. After simulation, you want to check the behavioral check syntax. So before that, you want to click this, right click, new source, Verilog test feature, file name is N _ test, then next, then finish. The program is created. Then click that test file. iSim simulator will come. Then click this behavioral check syntax, right click, then run. We got the green sign, green tick, so behavioral check syntax is correct. Then in the top module, click the file name, that N, and enter, and then click the simulate behavioral model, right click, run. You will get to a new window. There only you can check the truth table. Here the A value I am giving, right click, then click the force constant. I am giving the value 1, then apply, then OK, then file, save. This is a run button. Click this. Got the answer. I gave the input 1, got the output 0. Then click this. Can get the clock sign. So we have successfully verified NOT gate using Xilinx software.
Thus all the gates are implemented using Xilinx software and we have verified the truth table. Thank you.